And as we come on the air tonight, Ohio business owners are wrestling with the what ifs.
During a statewide address last week, Ohio Governor Mike DeWine stated if the current trend continues with cases of COVID-19 increasing, the state may be forced to close restaurant, bars, and fitness centers. Now, the governor said this would be examined again on Thursday.
And since then, some local gym owners are saying they will stand in solidarity and stay open despite a possible COVID-19 health order from the state. Our Rachel Schneider is talking with the gyms and the legal experts on what this could mean for them. She's standing by live noon tonight. Rachel.
Lee, Diane, owners of small, locally owned gyms like Definition Fitness here in Sylvania say they've been following all of the COVID-19 safety protocols and guidelines. And after reading a case that was previously decided in the Cleveland area here in Ohio, in which a judge ruled in favor of another local gym owner, they are confident that they can stay open, and that is exactly what they plan to do.
Speaking with attorneys and speaking with all the other gym owners, we've all come to the consensus that another closure is not rooted in law, and he has no authority to mandate a closure, so we don't plan on closing.
As gym owners worry about the possibility of another statewide shutdown to slow down the spread of COVID-19, some are saying they don't plan on following the governor's orders to close again.
We're all operating legally, we're following the protocols, we're following the guidelines. And we're going to stand in solidarity, and we're going to fight for what's ours that we've worked really hard to have and bring to the communities.
The gym owners have confidence that a ruling from a Lake County Court of Common Pleas back in May in favor of another local gym gives them the right to stay open, as long as they are following other safety protocols like social distancing and sanitizing equipment.
The attorneys are saying to provide any task force or any authority with the document of that case, which is, again, it's law, it is precedent.
We reached out to the University of Toledo's law professor, Rebecca Zeitlow, about the case, who disagrees that ruling would hold enough weight on its own.
That is not correct. It's not binding precedent in Lucas County. It might be persuasive to a judge in Lucas County, but it's not binding.
Zeitlow says the gyms would need to file a lawsuit in Lucas County and would need a ruling from the Ohio Supreme Court to be binding upon the entire state.
If they kept open and they were fined and then eventually they won the case, maybe they could ask as one of the remedies to have their fines reimbursed.
And we did reach out to the attorney working with the gyms, Maurice A. Thompson of the 1851 Center for Constitutional Law in Columbus. He argues that neither the governor nor the health department has the lawful authority to unilaterally shut down an entire industry, and for that reason, gym owners and members are entitled to disregard a shutdown order. But Professor Zeitlow says that in the case of a public health emergency like COVID-19, the state does possess some powers in comparison to the federal government. So it will be interesting to see how this may play out in court in the future. Reporting live, Rachel Schneider, 13 ABC, Action News.